Good morning, friends. Today I am going to explain about what can cloud do. Cloud is an artificial intelligence tool. It is like similar to ChatGPT. Okay. Introduction. Now we will explain about introduction. Let us understand what we can do in Cloud AI. Cloud is not only used for answering questions. We can use Cloud for learning, writing, coding, any analyzing information, and generating new ideas. Okay. First, we can use Cloud AI as an AI assistant to ask questions and understand different topics. Just like in ChatGPT, we will ask questions, right? Like in ChatGPT, in the same similar way, we can use in Cloud AI also. Let me explain here. In ChatGPT, we'll open ChatGPT, right? Use only for the website coming from the ChatGPT only. There are many websites are there, but see here chatgpt.com. So here this website only we should open for using ChatGPT. Okay, ignore all the remaining ChatGPT applications. Okay, use only for main application only. So here we'll ask questions, right? Same in the similar way we will use questions for Cloud AI also. So see how in my last class I already explained about Cloud AI tool, right? In the same ChatGPT only, we'll use Cloud AI also. Cloud AI. Okay, see here. Here I am typing Cloud AI. Okay, CLU. Just a minute, please. My mouse is yeah. Cloud CL Cloud AI. But you can click Cloud AI or Cloud anything. No problem. See here. This is chatbot.api app, and this is for yes use.ai. So don't use only from Cloud AI app application only we should open. Okay, this is AI chatbot LLC. Don't use that one also. It is shown that it's free, but don't use because later it will ask to purchase. Okay, for that reason you should not open. But this is chat.ai, so don't use that one also. This is cloud.com, so we should use we should click here loud. Okay. It is opening, just be in 1 minute. Okay, it's already open. Now here we should ask questions like, suppose see here I am asking like what is, in my previous class I told about Power BI, right? Power BI. Okay. Explain explain it to a beginner. Explain it to a beginner. I'm just asking to the AI tool that what is Power BI and explain it like a beginner version. So that's if you type like this, it will explain the Power BI application in a similar way, simple way. Okay, explain it to a beginner way. Explain it to a beginner way. If you enter after this one, you should press enter button. Okay, then it will give the theory about Power BI. Okay, Power BI is a data visualization and business intelligence tools made by Microsoft. In simple terms, it helps you to turn raw data like numbers in spreadsheets into visual reports and dashboards that are easy to understand at a glance. Think of it like this. Imagine you have a huge Excel file with thousands of rows of sales data. It's hard to spot. If you read this then you might answer the entire questions also. So for that reason you should read all this theory, okay? Not only once is one time is enough for this, okay? Don't listen like by hearting, okay? If you try to by hearting, you might forget the second or third time, okay? So don't by heart, just read once and try to memorize, okay? then at least if you try to remember 10 points, it will remember at least 2 points, right, out of 10. Then it must be good. So like that, cloud can then provide a beginner friendly explanation. It's a beginner friendly, right? If you did not understand any point, you can simply ask like explain how it how the interactive dashboards look like, how the dashboards looks like interactive. Tell me in a simple way. If you press like this and enter, then it will explain in a very simple way. Okay, interactive dashboards and shareable. If you could not understand what is shareable, then you can answer in a share in like, if you are from Telugu background, you can type like explain shareable in a Telugu like that. You can type here and you can press enter. Then it will ask. It will reply very simple way. Okay. Like ChatGPT, if you know how to use ChatGPT, then you should know the how to use this Cloud AI also. Okay. Cloud AI can then provide a beginner friendly explanation if you type like this. Okay. Now I will explain what is writing and rewriting. Second, Cloud can help us with writing. We can use it to write emails, YouTube scripts, write reports, articles, and other content. Okay. We can also do cloud existing content and ask it to rewrite it in a professional or simple way. Okay. Now I will explain an example. Write a professional email to a client. If you explain like this, professional write a professional email to a client. Then it will ask some professional emails. See once. If you complete this answer, just press the enter button once. See, it will give answer within a few seconds. Okay, within 2 seconds it give answer, and it is asking that who wants to. I mean, who is your client like that? It is asking, and what's the email about? I am just writing. I am. I just want to write a client about some health issue, and what it is asking. Who is the client? I am just saying the client is from Julia. Okay, client is Julia. If you type press enter, then it shows. See here. I am just asking to reschedule meeting. Okay. If you give all these questions, then it will produce an email output. Okay. Reschedule meeting. Okay. If you type enter, then it will ask. See here. It will not take much time. Okay, see here. Hi Julia, I hope this email finds you well. I am writing to let you know that due to health matter, I won't be able to make your upcoming meeting as a schedule. I apologize for any inconvenience this may cause. Could you find an alternative time that works for you? perhaps later this week or early next week. Please let me know a few time slots that suit your schedule, and I will do my best to accommodate. Thank you for your understanding. Best regards. If you copy this mail and you can paste it in your inbox, okay? I mean, write email in your Gmail, okay? And in the best regards, after that, type your name, okay? And just once read what it is doing, because at any cost, at anyway, in any way, it is also a mission, right? So should not believe 100% is okay. For that reason, you should read once. I hope this email finds well. And after you completed to write this answer, just copy this mail and paste it in your Gmail, okay? And our subject also is given. Request to reschedule our meeting, okay? Okay. And if you can copy subject also, and you can copy subject and paste it in your Gmail, okay? See here, it is also sent via Gmail. You can simply click here. Then it will open the Gmail account, and you should not no need to copy that matter. Okay, it will already pasted here. See once. Okay, see here. So if you type Julia after Julia, you can press enter. Okay, then it will submit to the corresponding candidate. Okay. Okay. So like this you can send email. Okay. Now I will explain about summarizing documents. Cloud can help us summarize information also. If we have a long document, we can provide the supported file to Cloud and ask it to summarize the important points. This can save us a lot of time. Example, summarize this document, give me the key points. Like this you can ask. For example, yeah, one document is there, okay? And if you don't have any time to read the entire document, so for that, first you need to attach the document. Yeah, attach the document, right? Then explain what is there. Write in your own words, no problem. Explain what is there in this document, okay? And after enter your this document, then you can press enter, okay? See here, now it will explain all the key points in this document, okay? It will already read all the documents and then it will display the required information. I mean important information in the document, okay? And in and here you can translate the English to Tamil or Telugu or Kannada or any language, Hindi or any language, whatever you need, you can type, okay? It is a Power BI desktop report built on the classic advanced work sales from dataset with a data model plus a free 4-page interactive report. If you want this document in Telugu, then just see now. Cloud translate. I know Telugu, so I am typing you. I am entering Telugu. Now after this, you can just press the enter button. Okay. So it is explaining all the key points in that document in Telugu version. Okay. Like this, not only in Telugu, if you are from Tamil background, you can enter Tamil also, translate in Tamil, okay? If you are from Kannada, translate in Kannada. Or if you are from Hindi, translate in Hindi. Or Sindhu, or different languages are there, right, in India. So like this we can get. And it is also used in coding also. And this is also used for coding also. And in Java or Python, there must be a code, right? So further, if you do not understand the code, you can just explain. You can just paste the code into the here, and you can say that you explain this into Telugu or your mother language. Then it will explain all the what is there in the code. It will explain the entire code in Telugu. Okay, not only in Telugu, in your language. Okay, so like this you can understand better. For example, see here. Hmm. Here I am just saying that write a Python program to calculate the average of five numbers. Okay, to calculate the average of five numbers. See now it will use the Python code. Okay, not only Python code, it will also reflect Java code also. See here, and if you want to copy this code, just copy and paste it in your Python. In Python, most people will use Visual Code, right? Visual Studio Code. Just open Visual Studio Code and press enter. Then it will reflect the output also. Okay. Then it is also given the how it was in this line, each line. Okay. And it will use the sample output also. Means how it was given. It will give like enter first number and each two, and after that it will give blank. Okay, not 10. If we have to type 10, okay. After that enter second number each two space 20. You have to give, and after this enter third number and enter fourth number and enter fifth number. Then it will use the average of five numbers. Okay. It is very simple, right? By using Cloud AI. I think most people will use ChatGPT also in the same way only. So you can use any AI tool. Okay. Next, sixth point is brainstorming and ideas. Now we are in sixth point. Okay. Finally, cloud can help us to generate new ideas. For example, if you want to create YouTube videos, we can ask Cloud for video scripts, titles, tips, and content ideas also. Example, see here. I am saying like give me 10 YouTube ideas about Power BI for beginners. If you type like this, about Power BI. If you want to know in your native language, you can type in Telugu or in Hindi. Okay. for beginners. I just want to know in English, so no need to give any English, any language specification. Okay, if you type like this, see here now. It is given very easy, right? In a very easy way. Like what is Power BI and complete beginners introduction. Explain what it is, why business use it, and tour of the interface, report view, data view, model view, okay, and how to install Power BI desktop in a free way, step by step walkthrough, download, install, and the first launch setup. Importing your first data set into Power BI. Like this, it is given 10 different ideas, okay. You can pick any 5 or 4 or 5, and you can explain in YouTube script, okay. And if you want if you selected any 3 or 4 lines, you can just give, like I have selected 1 5 7 8 points. You can expand the full script for this, and it will give the entire script, I mean what to say in the YouTube. Like this, it will give the entire script of the particular power BI, description, right? Now I hope you understand this, right? Now I'm closing this slide. So cloud can help us many different tasks such as answering questions, writing, summarizing, translating code, and generating ideas. In the next slide, we will understand the difference between cloud and traditional search engines. Okay. In the next class, we will understand the difference between the cloud and traditional search engines. Okay. So that's it, class, for today's session. Okay. Thank you for everything. Thanks for everyone. Thank you, guys.